Currently at a HD bartending school.
Today we've completed the bartending basics.
Training today was very comprehensive. The instructor was very passionate.
The trainers were really engaging and enthusiastic and made the whole experience really fun.
When I first walked in, what really caught my eye was just the whole bar area. It was all set up professionally and it was just really nicely presented. As I would work in a bar, that's how I would picture it being. Instead of sitting behind a desk and doing something like that. Like, this was really hands-on.
You can come in here and you can sort of refresh your skills. You can have like a base level of knowledge or none whatsoever, and I think you'll leave with something for sure.
After completing the course, I'm feeling really confident with all the knowledge that I've gained.
It's a great standard of training, you know, they make you feel comfortable, and couldn't recommend it highly enough.
So I personally would recommend it to anyone that's already working in a bar and anyone that is looking for work in bar areas, even just for a little bit of fun as well, because cocktail making is beautiful. It's a lot of fun.